I finished my other Christmas project, and it's a mannequin Christmas tree, and she looks like a showgirl. The fan right there in the middle, I'm going to have to paint it a little bit whiter. I got it at a thrift store. And you see the two birds like right there and right there. It's supposed to be holding the dress open. I'll show you one close up. And then here's one. And this stand is a candle holder. I got it at the thrift store. I got two of them, I think. And I just got these little plastic things at the thrift store for like 50 cents. I thought they were cute. And she's wearing a dress with feathers on the bottom. And the material is table runner from Dollar Tree. And I believe this stuff's from Dollar Tree. And I put a necklace I got at the thrift store around her waist. And this necklace was supposed to go up here, but it stuck way out like that, so it didn't work. So I just put some of that sunflower, whatever you call it, on there. And then there's the top piece. I was going to use these birds, but they didn't look like they were flying as much as others, so maybe a little overkill with them there. But I'll be uploading the video of how I made this. But I filmed it on a camera, and I've got to, because you know it took a while to do this. I don't think my cell phone would have worked, but I've got to do some editing, and I still haven't got the internet yet, so I was going to check into that today, and I got distracted finishing this up. So I'll have to go somewhere after I edit it and upload it. So, but I just wanted to show you, because I know it's going to take me a long time to get that done. So keep an eye out for the video, and let me know if you like this, and I hope you'll hit like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.